Okay, here's how White Rose Senior Center plays our horse races that we're going to use for the Summer Olympics. But we also use this game for other times throughout the year. Sometimes when it's like the horse derby kind of season, like in May, we have the people wear hats or whatever. So we have, I made this. It's a paper track with butcher paper again, and I actually have it the same length as one of our 6-foot tables. Don't look at all the stuff on the bottom here. I'm going to show you some other examples of how other kind of races you can do. But this is the horse race. So it starts off with, the word start there. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, lanes in here. So everybody gets to pick their horse. So I just take like the, what do you call these things? Those tickets, raffle tickets. And as you can see, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 put on tickets. And I make several of them up. And I do this so that the people remember like what horse they picked, because there's no way I can remember that, because we'll play like maybe 10 rounds. And then some people change their horse throughout that time as well. So everybody starts off with raffle tickets. They can change in between the races. Everybody gets 10 pennies, and they get a paper cup to put their pennies in. And for each race, they give me or whoever's running the game a penny. Now, the very last game, they can bet as many pennies as they want, because, probably most people win pennies throughout the game, unless you're really unlucky. So anyhow, I also have 2 dice. We normally have the people sit on this side of the table, and then some sit on this side of the table. And so one side rolls for which horse goes out. So this side will say rolls for which horse goes out. That looks like it's number 1. And then this side would roll for how many spaces they go. So first horse would go 2 spots. 1, 2. Okay, and you just continue. We just go one by one down the line, so everybody gets a turn to roll the dice. And then whoever crosses the finish line, which is down here, they get the pennies that I have collected from everyone. Sometimes there's multiple winners, so you have to split the pennies. Okay. So whoever has the most pennies at the end would win the prize. Since we're playing Summer Olympics, they would win the gold. The person who has the second most highest pennies left wins silver, and third place would go would be bronze. Okay, so this is the equestrian horse race we're doing for Summer Olympics. Now, I told you how we do different things. So we've taken this track before, that I've made up here, and we've actually used it with cars. So we have 6 NASCARs, and during a NASCAR event we do that. We've also taken it to picnics, and we've gone to the dollar stores where I think I bought these ugly bugs, plastic bugs. We're missing a couple, so we probably pranked somebody with them. But you should have 6, since there's 6 lanes. Because our mascot's a turtle, we have little turtles all over the place here. We have live ones, and we have fake ones, which these are fake plastic ones that I just got like at the dollar store, Walmart, or actually people bring stuff like this to us here. So we've done turtle races. And then for the fair, we've done pig races. So we call these, what this is, it's an egg carton. Whoops, here her feet have gotten knocked down. But it's an egg carton, and I made these years ago and made them look like pigs, right? They look like a pig. I don't know. Use your imagination. It does have a little squirrely tail at the end, okay? So I colored them pink for pigs. And so we have Petunia Clark here. We have, just a bunch of, at our fair in York Fair, which is the oldest fair in the United States, they have all these crazy crazy names for pigs. I can't even think of some of the other ones. Maybe I'll think about it before we have our Pask Presents program this afternoon. But like Pig Julia Clark is one. Roseanne Bohr is another one, you know, you could use. So just be creative. You guys are all creative. But this is the horse race for the Summer Olympics.